everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That way you can get notified when I post a video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing the full face using Colourpop products. So let's get into it. Colourpop came out with the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic foundation. Hydrating foundation. So this is what it looks like, and they also have a concealer as well, so I had to get that because in my past video I tried their tinted moisturizer. Then I got some lipstick, and I got some brow gel, and then the last thing I got was the Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. As you can see, I already did my brows, so I'm just going to set my brows with the Brow Boss Gel in color Soft Black. That's what it looks like. A lot comes out, it seems like. Okay, so that's looking good. Next, we're going to be doing the eyeshadow first, just in case there's any fallout. But for my base, I'm going to be using the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the Pretty Fresh collection. I'm in shade Medium 90W. And I'm just going to prep my eyes, and then I'll see you guys. I'm just going to be going in with the Going Coconuts palette, and I think I'm just going to do a light bronzy look. This is what the palette looks like. So I'm going to be using my Morphe M441 brush. And then going in with Lovely Bunch. Just take a little bit on there. So my outer eye, and then into my crease as well. I'm gonna go in with Shell Yeah right here and basically just go over that. So far I'm really liking how all of this blends out. Like, it looks really nice. It's easy. It doesn't look like there's a lot of fallout within the palette when I pick it up. I'm not the best at eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna do what I like. The final color I'm going to be using is called Nutty, and it's this bottom corner one right here. So I'm going to apply a little, goes a long way I'm assuming. Just going to tap this in here and swirl it and go up a little bit. This one right here, and then just maybe putting it in my inner corner. I don't know, I'm gonna see how I like that. All right, so that's all I'm gonna do for my eyes. I'm gonna put on lashes, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So next we're going to be using the foundation now, and let's see how this works. I did use this one. I'll put it right here, the link, so that way you can click and watch it just to see how I liked it. But now we'll be trying the Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. I'm just gonna pump a couple little dots on my face. And I am in the shade Medium 100W. So you can easily get matched on Colourpop.com. Well guys, I only did 3 pumps. The color matching on the site It said that I was 90W, but I decided just to go up one just in case because it is summer. It actually looks pretty good. A little, I don't know, for me a little does go a long way. So it's so weird. So when you take it out, this is what it looks like. It looks like it's not that much concealer, but honestly when you put it on, it is the perfect amount that comes out of this bottle. I'm going to set this right away with the Kat Von D translucent powder and then a little cotton puff that I got in my Cutie review. Wow, I look absolutely crazy right now. But it's alright because my face will be looking nice and set. Wow, guys. This is so good. And then the final thing that we have left to do is the Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is what they look like. So I think I'm gonna go with a lighter one today and just like not fully put it on, but kind of put it on. So this is what it looks like. I've never gotten one of these before. They're super pigmented though. And then I also happened to get the Prince Naveen one and the Princess Tiana, so maybe I'll put that in the center to make it look a little bit darker. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I absolutely love every single product within this video in Colourpop. So all these lipsticks I loved, the foundation and concealer I loved, and the palettes I really loved because these are the common colors that I like to use every day for my eyeshadow when I do my makeup. But this was really impressive, guys. Like a little does go a long way and it seems like it's really medium to full coverage. I love the Brow Bosch gel too. This is super amazing and it was super affordable. So thank you so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications to my channel, and I hope all of you have a wonderful day. I'll see you. Bye.